we're going to do a negative push-up. This push-up is great for people who've got a hard time doing push-ups on their knees or regular push-ups because they simply haven't built up the strength and the biomechanics. So we're going to use, place your hands a tiny bit lower to your chest. That's too low. A little bit higher. Closer to your chest. There you go. So this is in 2 steps. Step 1, go. Step 2, that comes up to a full plank. Reverse engineer step 2. And reverse engineer step 1. Repeat again. Step 1. Step 2. Reverse engineer. Back down. Let's get 3 more in. Step 1. Step 2. Reverse engineer. Great. 2 more. Step 1. Step 2. See how that's clean? Keep going. Spine is neutral. The pecs, the arms, the core, keep going. Much better for back pain. Again, 2 more times. Good. 1 more time. Let's go. Up. Step 1. Step 2. Back down. Step 1.